Hello again. Welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. As you know, Uncle Geoff is very old. When I was very young, I used to ride a bike to school. I used to ride a bike to school. There's the sentence. I used to ride a bike to school. Now I don't. I did it in the past, but I don't do it now. When I was little, I used to ride a bike to school. Can you make that sentence negative? I used to ride a bike to school. What's the negative version of that? Answer: I didn't used to ride a bike to school. I didn't used to ride a bike to school. Notice the change in spelling of used to. The pronunciation is the same. The spelling is different. In the first sentence, when I was young, I used to ride a bike to school. Negative, I didn't used to ride a bike to school. When we use the negative version, we lose the final D in used. I didn't used to ride a bike to school. What about a question? What's the question? Did you used to ride a bike to school? Did you used to ride a bike to school? Did you used to ride a bike to school? Again, in the question, the same as the negative, we lose the D in used to. Did you used to ride a bike to school? The pronunciation is the same. I used to ride a bike to school. Did you used to ride a bike to school? But the spelling is different on used. In the negative and question, we lose the final D. English grammar, used to, easy peasy-ish. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye for now.